Hey guys, let's see how to format an SD card on a Tapo C425. First of all, we just need to insert the SD card here into the camera. Here I have this Lexar SD card. I'll leave the link in the description, okay? It's a good one. Then you just insert it here, just like so. Push it, then you close it, and then you turn on the camera. Just press the button here for 5 seconds until the camera turns on.
On.
Right? Then after this, if the SD card is not formatted, the camera is going to tell you that you need to format the SD card.
The SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
Okay, as I was saying, the camera tells that you need to format the SD card. I'll just put it there, and then you just need to wait for the camera to boot up, and you're gonna see here the camera available, and from here you can format the SD card using the Tapo app. Okay, you don't need to format the SD card on your computer, and usually the camera can format in the best ways possible for it to use it, right? So just wait for it to load here, and then you can format it. There we go. You see that the camera is on. You just come here, and usually a message pops up here on the screen showing that you can format the SD card. If that doesn't,
the card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
Once again, you hear the message. If it doesn't pop up here, you just come here to the settings and storage and recordings here, okay? And then from here, you see local storage, and you can tap on format my microSD card from here. Just wait for it to finish. Depending on the size of the SD card, it's gonna take a longer time, but it's easy to format from here, right? There we go, format successfully. And then your card is good to go. You see here the information for loop recording. That means the camera is going to record and delete all the videos, record the new ones, right? So it's basically working now, and the camera starts recording by itself as long as you have motion detection enabled here. And you come back to the main screen, and when there's recording available, you're gonna see here. I still don't have any, but after the camera start recording, I'm gonna see them here, right? I hope that helps. That's the way you can insert and format an SD card on a Tapo C425. So leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.